Hello, my friend. Welcome to my All Farmers channel, which is for all American farmers. Have you ever wondered where we get the delicious cherries that end up in our pies, ice cream, and other desserts? Of course, you have. Today, we're going to take you into the fascinating and breathtaking world of American cherry orchards and how they produce billions of cherries each year. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification to receive the next fascinating videos from the world of farming from all farmers. When you hold a plump, juicy cherry in your hand, do you ever wonder about the meticulous process behind how millions of these delicate fruits are harvested, sorted, and processed each year? What advanced techniques are used to ensure they stay as fresh and delicious as possible until they reach your table? Today, let's delve into the fascinating world of American cherry cultivation and harvest. You'll be amazed by the dedication, expertise, and unique methods farmers employ to bring you the finest cherry experience imaginable. The United States has a long-standing reputation as one of the best places for cherry cultivation, known for both the quality and diversity of its cherry varieties. Every year, America exports approximately 300,000 tons of cherries around the globe. This number can vary based on weather patterns, global demand, and other seasonal factors. But the dedication to delivering cherries of impeccable quality remains constant. In addition to popular varieties like Bing and Rainier, American farmers grow many other unique varieties, each with distinct flavors, colors, and textures. This diversity not only makes cherries a sought-after export, but also solidifies America's place as a cherry paradise on the global stage. Let's begin with the initial stages of cherry cultivation, where everything starts with careful seed selection and planting. The process is highly systematic, as cherry farmers use a uniform approach to sow seeds and plant young trees. Seeds are carefully chosen for their genetic quality, ensuring they will yield robust trees that produce high-quality fruit. Once the seeds are ready, they're sown at fixed intervals in the soil. This spacing is key because it allows each cherry tree enough room to grow freely, with adequate sunlight, water, and nutrients. This structured approach ensures that every tree can thrive, creating orchards that are both beautiful and bountiful. One of the remarkable aspects of American cherry varieties is their ability to adapt to diverse climates and soil types. Cherries can be grown in regions with vastly different weather conditions, from the cooler climates of the Pacific Northwest to areas with more temperate seasons. Despite the varied environments, cherry trees are hardy and require relatively minimal maintenance. This resilience means they can flourish in challenging conditions while still producing high-quality fruit. Cherry trees require consistent and attentive care to ensure they remain healthy and productive throughout their life cycle. Essential maintenance practices involve providing the trees with adequate water, nutrients, and protection from pests and diseases. Proper irrigation is crucial, particularly during periods of rapid growth or dry weather, to keep the trees hydrated and to prevent stress that could impact fruit production. Fertilization is also an important practice, ensuring that the trees receive the necessary nutrients to support their growth and fruit-bearing potential. In addition to watering and fertilizing, farmers take proactive measures to manage pests, such as using organic or chemical controls when needed to prevent damage to the trees. Protection from environmental factors is equally important. Frost, drought, and extreme temperatures can harm the trees or stunt their growth. Farmers often employ protective strategies like using frost blankets during cold snaps or irrigation systems that prevent freeze damage. Ensuring these factors are carefully managed contributes to the overall health of the orchard and ensures high yields in future seasons. It generally takes cherry trees around 3 to 5 years to mature and start bearing fruit, although the exact timeline can vary depending on the specific variety and environmental conditions. During these formative years, the trees are carefully monitored by farmers who ensure they receive the proper care at every stage. From the moment they are planted, young trees are nurtured to establish strong root systems, and farmers adjust their care based on factors such as soil quality, climate, and growth patterns. As the trees mature, their needs evolve, requiring changes in their care routine to optimize their fruiting potential. This early investment in tree health is crucial because it directly impacts the quality and quantity of the cherries produced in later years. By maintaining this careful balance of water, nutrients, pest control, and environmental protection, farmers ensure that the cherry trees grow to their full potential, eventually producing the high-quality fruit that is beloved worldwide. Cherry harvest season in the United States typically begins in late spring and extends into early summer, marking the arrival of a highly anticipated period for cherry growers. During this time, cherry orchards transform into a stunning spectacle, filled with a breathtaking array of colors. As the cherries ripen, the trees are adorned with clusters of fruits that showcase a diverse palette of hues, ranging from the deep, rich reds of Bing cherries to the delicate pinks of other varieties, and even the shimmering gold of premium Rainier cherries. These vibrant colors not only indicate the cherry's peak ripeness, but also signal the height of the harvest season, when the fruits are at their sweetest and most flavorful. The size of cherries harvested can vary, but for most varieties, the typical range is from 1/2 inch to 1 inch in diameter. Despite the advancements in agricultural technology, some cherry varieties, especially those with delicate characteristics like Rainier cherries, still require the careful, labor-intensive process of hand-picking. These cherries, known for their stunning red-yellow blush and exquisite sweet flavor, are especially vulnerable to bruising or damage from mechanical harvesting. Their fragile nature necessitates the gentle touch of skilled workers who can pick them without compromising their quality. The combination of natural beauty and delicate taste makes the Rainier a sought-after variety, though it requires extra attention during harvest to ensure its pristine condition. Hand-picking cherries is far from a simple task. It is a time-consuming and painstaking process that demands precision and care. Farmers and workers spend long hours in the orchards, carefully selecting and gently plucking each fruit from the trees. This meticulous task is not only about preserving the cherry's flawless appearance, but also about upholding the quality and reputation of the cherries. Every cherry picked by hand is a testament to the commitment of the farmers, who spare no effort in delivering the freshest, most pristine cherries possible to the consumer. Their dedication and skill ensure that the cherries maintain their ideal texture, flavor, and visual appeal, ready to be enjoyed by people around the world. Once harvested, cherries embark on a meticulous and carefully organized processing journey to ensure they reach consumers at the peak of quality and freshness. Each cherry's journey begins at a processing plant, where advanced technology meets human expertise in an efficient, bustling environment. Stepping into the facility, you can immediately feel the energy and dedication at work, with each person and machine playing a crucial role. This harmony between the workforce and high-tech equipment reflects the shared goal of delivering the freshest, most flavorful cherries to consumers, whether they're destined for local markets or international shelves. The first step in the cherry processing journey is a thorough washing process. Using state-of-the-art washing equipment, the plant can clean up to 70 crates of cherries per hour, a speed that helps maintain efficiency without compromising quality. This high-powered wash removes any lingering dust, pesticide residues, or other particles from the orchard, leaving each cherry pristine and ready for the next stages of processing. The washing system is carefully calibrated to handle the cherries gently, ensuring they maintain their firmness and natural gloss. This initial cleaning not only guarantees a clean product, but also sets a high standard for quality that will carry through every step of the journey. After washing, the cherries are carefully screened, where leaves, stems, and other natural impurities are separated from the fruit. Here, skilled technicians and automated machines work together in an intricate dance, meticulously inspecting each batch to ensure only the best cherries continue down the line. Damaged or blemished fruits are filtered out to maintain the high-quality standard that consumers expect. This step showcases the expertise of the workers and the precision of modern agricultural technology. Each cherry that makes it through the sorting process has been scrutinized for quality, guaranteeing that only the finest fruits proceed toward packaging and distribution. After sorting, cherries undergo a meticulous grading process where they are categorized by size, ensuring consistency and quality across each batch. Each variety is assessed with precision, as cherries are sorted into groups that will meet the preferences and requirements of different markets and customers. This detailed grading process is critical to maintaining the cherries' quality standards, as cherries of similar size and ripeness are packed together, creating an appealing and uniform presentation. Whether destined for local markets or international exports, each batch of cherries is handled with care to preserve its freshness, flavor, and natural beauty. Packaging is a vital step that not only extends the cherries' shelf life, but also adds to their visual appeal. The design and quality of the packaging are crafted to reflect the premium nature of the product, with sturdy materials that keep the cherries protected during transport. Labels and designs on the packaging often highlight the cherry's origin, variety, and quality, appealing to consumers' desire for freshness and traceability. This careful attention to packaging is a testament to the craftsmanship involved in every stage of the cherry processing journey. From the orchard to the packaging line, every detail is considered to ensure that these cherries arrive in pristine condition, ready to delight consumers around the world. Each stage of the cherry processing journey showcases the immense dedication, care, and expertise of farmers, workers, and technicians who make it all possible. From the careful nurturing of young trees to the final packaging of plump, ripe cherries, this process is a collaborative effort that combines traditional agricultural skills with modern technological innovations. It's a testament to the hard work and perseverance of countless individuals working behind the scenes, each of whom plays a crucial role in maintaining the cherries' quality and freshness as they move from orchards to processing plants. Inside the processing plants, the buzz of machinery harmonizes with the steady rhythm of skilled hands at work, each element functioning together to bring out the best in every cherry. Workers inspect, sort, and package the cherries with incredible precision, ensuring that only the finest fruits make it to consumers around the world. Every step is meticulously designed to preserve the cherry's natural flavor and beauty, while also meeting rigorous quality standards. The use of advanced technology for washing, sorting, and packing allows these teams to work efficiently, yet the personal care taken by each worker ensures that the human touch is never lost in the process. As we wrap up this journey through America's cherry season, it's inspiring to reflect on the commitment and passion that drive this industry. The farmers and workers involved don't just produce a remarkable fruit. They uphold a legacy of quality and pride in American agriculture. Their hard work and dedication to excellence result in cherries that are not only delicious, but represent the heart and soul of the farming community. Each cherry tells a story of resilience, tradition, and innovation, a true celebration of the people who make this beautiful fruit available for all to enjoy. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope we continue exploring and sharing the incredible stories of American agriculture. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so we can bring you even more fascinating insights into this profession. See you in the next video, and until then, enjoy every sweet bite of America's finest cherries.